Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a flexi rod set on my hair, and my hair is already freshly washed and conditioned, so I'm going to go in with this coconut oil leave-in conditioner, and just to give my hair some moisture and use this as my leave-in conditioner. Because I'm doing a roller set, I don't want to go in with anything too heavy, so I decided to use this lightweight spray leave-in conditioner. So I already started off doing one of them, so here's my second one. I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair. And then I'm going to detangle it with a Denman brush, and that's very, very, very important, is to have your hair completely detangled and prepped for the style. So I'm going to go in with this Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. I'm going to use this today as my styler. So I'm going to take about 4 or 5 pumps of this and just saturate this section of my hair with this styling mousse, and making sure that my ends are really saturated, and then go back in with my Denman brush to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Then I'm gonna go in with my flexi rod, and the method of this style is by making it into a horseshoe. So you just bend it to make it into a horseshoe, and then you are going to put it over the whole section, and then you're going to split this section into 2, just like I'm doing. Okay, then you're going to clip up one part of the section, and now you're ready just to roll your hair on the other section, the other part of it. So you're going to go ahead and make sure your hair is detangled, and then you're going to just wrap your hair around it. It's very important to smooth it all the way down the rod. I didn't do the twisting method. I just literally just wrapped my hair around the rod, making sure that my hair was as smooth as it can be. Using this method reduces the amount of flexi rods that you use, and also it's very comfortable to sleep in. It wasn't uncomfortable to sleep in this. My last flexi rod, I used a whole bunch of flexi rods, and my hair was kind of like the rods were sticking out. So me using this method, you don't have all the extra rod left. You literally use the whole flexi rod on this method. So then you're going to go in on the other side, make sure it's detangled, and then you're going to go the opposite way and just make sure your hair is smooth all the way down. Make sure your ends are detangled and your hair is just wrapped all the way down to the very ends of it, and making sure you add a little bit more product towards the end. So I'm going to show you guys real quick again how I do it. First, you do your leave-in conditioner, then you need to detangle your hair. You add your styler, which is the Creme of Nature mousse, and then you're going to put the whole rod on there, split it in 2, clip one side up, detangle again, and then smooth it all the way down the rod, rolling the hair all the way around it, all the way down. It's pretty simple. It took me about maybe 30 minutes to do my whole head. So yeah, I really like this method a lot. I will have the original video linked down below of where I got this method from, but I tried it out and I really like this method a lot. I would definitely do it again. So just make sure that your hair is smooth all the way around, and the most important part is your ends. Make sure your ends are secure around the rod. So here's my whole head set. I use 6 in the back and 2 in the front. So really you only need 1 pack of flexi rods to complete your whole head. But this is how my hair looked after all of my rollers are in my head. So this is the next morning. I did sleep with them, like I said, overnight, and it was very comfortable. I didn't, not get any rest with it. I did sit under a hooded dry for an hour the night before, but and then I let it completely air dry overnight. And I went in with this 70 Essential Creme of Nature oil to take down my hair. I soaked my hands in the oil so I can wrap my hair around my fingers and wait, did that make any sense? I put the oil on my hands to reduce any frizz when I took my hair down. Yeah. So this is the way that I'm taking my hair down. Just basically unrolling it the way that I rolled it and coiling my hair back to how it's supposed to be. Alright, so here's all my rollers out of my head, and this is before I started separating and fluffing my hair. So for me to go ahead and separate my hair, I'm going to clip up a section and only work in one section at a time. Now this took me about a good 45 minutes to separate and fluff my hair. I'm not going to even lie. This is my first time taking my time doing this. I literally went by section, piece by piece, literally just taking my hair down, adding more oil to my fingertips, and just coiling my hair around my fingers. So this is what my hair looks like after I did my whole head. Like I said, it took me about a good 45 minutes that morning to do my hair. And I have body. My hair was good. Like, I love when my hair came out. Like, came out so good. So now I'm going to, no style is complete without an edge control. So I'm going to take the Creme of Nature edge tamer and smooth this around my edges, and take my toothbrush and smooth my edges down. And then I'm going to go in with my handy dandy purple pick and fluff up my roots. Never take your pick all the way through your hair, only just your roots. This style lasted me for about a good 5 days. And the older it got, the bigger it got and the prettier it got. But the styling lotion was awesome the mousse was awesome for my hair. Like, I love the method. It was really, really simple. I hope you guys try it. If you do, please sure to tag me in it. But this is pretty much the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I was feeling myself, had to do a little Harlem shake there, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.